Google announced Gemini, their newest AI model, also might be the most powerful multimodal AI model earlier today. From Google's demonstration video, Gemini shows a very good understanding of both visual and audio content, and gives responses accordingly. Look at this. Without any explanation, Gemini recognized that we want it to find the paper ball under the cup. That's very good reasoning ability. And then, Gemini captures the movement of the cups, and gives the right answer of the challenge. That shows the ability of visual understanding. And this one, Gemini gives the answer as soon as it sees the picture, and it might even take humans some time to think about it. There are many examples in Google's demonstration video. You can find the link in the description to watch the full video. Gemini has 3 versions. The Ultra one is the largest and most capable model for highly complex tasks, and its performance even outranks GPT-4 in the MMLU benchmark. Gemini also surpasses state-of-the-art performance on a range of multimodal benchmarks. So how to get access to Gemini? We can now use Gemini Pro in Bard starting today, and Gemini Ultra will come to Bard early next year in a new experience called Bard Advanced. They also mentioned Gemini Pro outperformed GPT 3.5, which means Bard is now the most preferred free chatbot compared to leading alternatives. If you open Bard now, theoretically it's using Gemini Pro now. And here is a notice saying the conversations are processed by human reviewers to improve the technologies powering Bard. So you might not want to enter something concerning privacy. I try uploading a viral hug cat image and ask it what it is, and this is what it replies. Bard describes what the cat is doing, and also tells me what breed is the cat with a picture. I don't know if that's correct, but its answer seems reasonable. I also ask where does the image comes from, and it's telling me the photo might originally posted on social media and then spread to other websites. Indeed, that's how most people find the cat. When I ask if Gemini can generate AI images, it gives me a no. That's a shame. By the way, if you have the needs to generate AI images and upscale all kinds of images to super high quality, HitPaw Photo AI is a perfect solution. It can easily enhance images to 8K plus quality fast in batch. Check out the official link in the description if you are interested. I also try some other questions. Seems like Gemini knows humor. Then it confirms that Bard is on Gemini Pro in English across most of the world as of December 6, 2023. So how do you like the new Gemini AI? Share your thoughts in the comment and I'd happy to read them. Maybe it's time to expect Gemini Ultra coming next year. If this video helps, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and news. Thanks for watching.